The law of attraction is a priceless boon given by nature to every human being. Today we are going to talk about this boon. Please sit down and listen to me very carefully. This law of attraction works equally on all people like the law of gravity. It is working equally on every person and every object, whether you believe it or not. All the successful people in the world have adopted this law correctly and made their lives successful. If you want to be successful in life, you should also know this law. Today you will know what is the law of attraction, how does the law of attraction work, and how you can apply the law of attraction in your life. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is related to our thoughts. This law says that ordinary things attract ordinary things towards themselves. Our thoughts also attract our ordinary thoughts towards us. When we think of a thought, you attract other thoughts like that. According to this law, when you think of something, that thing brings other things like that into your life. Suppose a person is thinking about a positive thought, then the result will be that along with that positive thought, other positive thoughts will start coming to his mind. By using this law, we can attract anything we like in our life, whether it is money, good health, good relationship, and we can live a successful life. According to this law of attraction, whenever we think about something with full focus, that thing comes into our life. Now let's understand how the law of attraction works. According to science, everything in the universe is made of energy. Humans, animals, Earth, sky, Earth and other planets are also made of energy. The density of energy is different in everything, so everything looks different to us. In fact, all things in the universe are connected to each other and they are just different forms of the same energy. We are also energy, and what we want to get is also energy. Thoughts are also a form of energy. This thought can be transformed into a person because any object is also a form of energy. In this way, we can transform our thoughts into objects. When we think about something and think about it with full faith, the frequency of that thought goes to the universe. After a while, the frequency of that thought appears in our life with that object and other objects of the same frequency, and we become the owner of that object. If you have a negative mindset and think about things that you don't want in your life, then the same negative things appear in your life. This is absolutely clear. Whatever we think happens in our life, we get what we want. Now let me tell you how to use the law of attraction and how to match the frequency of your thoughts with the frequency of your favorite objects. It happens the same way as we tune the radio to a particular frequency and listen to our favorite program. First of all, whatever you want to achieve, whether it is good health, a lot of money or a good relationship with someone, you should have a strong desire to get it. The more you increase this desire, the more the law of attraction will work for you. After that, you will have to tell the universe about your desire. You will have to ask the universe for your favorite thing, or you will have to order it to bring you your favorite thing. But remember, your order should be very clear and in positive words. After giving the order, you should write it on a piece of paper. You should write it in present tense. For example, I am very happy today because I have bought my favorite house. Keep this paper in a place where you can give it to someone. For this, you have to make a combination of your faith, your belief with the thought of your favorite thing. You have to unite your faith because faith is that feeling that you have to connect with the thought of your favorite thing, because of which your frequency will match quickly with the frequency of that object, and your order will be followed as soon as possible. Your thought or order is the most important thing to give the universe what feeling you have. You have to make yourself believe again and again that you have that thing, and for that thing, you have to keep thanking the universe. The stronger your faith or feeling, the sooner the universe will complete your work. After doing this, your work is over and the work of the universe begins. According to the quality of your faith or belief, the universe will take time to give you that thing, and later you will get that thing.